I almost hit the camera. I don't even think they see me. Essentially, and I'm not sure I even understand it yet, this is a 128 cubic inch engine, and then I'm gonna have Ryan Shell, he's our service manager, actually explain what it means. This is a 23 inch front wheel, 16 inch handlebar. They went ahead and put the body kit that you get on CVOs on this bike. So it's essentially just this. Actually, it looks really thin and flimsy. It's actually quite sturdy, and I think that's because it's based at the bottom, so it's really sturdy. Put LED trims all around the bike. The exhaust is not true dual, it's a 2-in-1. But you got a falsie. Sorry about the Christmas music. Usually I can turn it off when I shoot a video, but it's Christmas Eve. Looking for Ryan Shell.
Looking for Ryan Shell?
Yeah.
I do not know where he is.
You got Snickerdoodle? Ryan Shell?
Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a
This is inappropriate. Hey. What's up, brother? What's up, man? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hey, Shell, I'm outside if you ever get a moment. So we got Ryan Shell, he's our parts manager. He's gonna explain what this 128 means.
This is Gil's bike, so we decided to bump it up a little bit. When the boss says he wants a little bit of get up and go, we gotta make sure Gil's taken care of when it comes to that.
I know him pretty well. He's gonna ride this bike like maybe once.
You think? Once?
Yeah.
Well, that might be as long as it lasts on the floor if somebody else rides it, because it runs good. So we're looking at over 140 foot-pounds of torque and 140 horsepower. 128 inches, we had to go bigger on the displacement. So the only way that we could get any bigger on this was to make the piston bigger. So to make the piston bigger, we had to make the cylinder bigger. So basically we've got a larger cylinder and piston, a higher compression, and we bumped it up 14 cubic inches.
If a customer wanted to do that, what do you do?
So we took the motor out of, we took the top end off of it, we sent it out. We also upgraded the cam chest to a S&S high flow cam chest, cam plate, cam, special cam from our friends over at Cyclerama. They did a lot of work with us on this. They hooked the heads up, they flowed the intake manifold, and basically they put together a kit for us that's special for this motorcycle.
So there you have it. So in case anyone is curious and maybe wants to look into doing something like this to their motorcycle, I'm gonna put a link in the description below, or I'll see if I can just add the whole thing. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll add the parts list so it shows exactly what they did. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you next time. It's also extremely heavy.